Hi y'all, we're here at Cambridge Park in Pascagoula, Mississippi. This is a pet-friendly community in a great location with amenities such as a swimming pool and a playground. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. All units feature spacious living rooms. Outside, you'll find a covered balcony or patio with a convenient storage closet. Back inside, right off of the living space, is the dining room, the fully equipped kitchen, and the laundry room. Down the hall, you'll find the first spacious bedroom, a bathroom conveniently located right across the hall, and the spacious primary bedroom, which features a closet, a vanity area, and an ensuite bathroom. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find a business center and a community room. Outside, you'll find the swimming pool and a playground. Click the link below to book your tour today.